Welcome to Programming ABC. Today I will show how to make how to connect button event. In my previous video I will show how to make 7zip user interface using WX form builder. This will zip, unzip, select file to make zip, and select file to make unzip. Button event not set. Now I will show how to connect button event. Tab 2. From here I write button code, self dot button 1 bind self dot button 1 browse unzip. Browse for unzip. Button 2 unzip. convert convert to zip convert to unzip. Use copy this event. One, two, three, four. Now write button event, copy, def, self event, self event, print event dot skip event dot skip. Now copy this, another button 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, convert to zip, convert to unzip. Convert to unzip, convert to unzip. Copy this. Here also two button, button 2, button 1. Right after tab 1, two, three, 4. Browse for zip, convert to zip. Browse for zip, browse for zip, convert to zip. Now run this. It shows error. Edit selector, format, untabify region 4. One, two, three, 4. Five, 6, 7, 8. Five, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Please use 8. Here also 5, 4, 6, 7, 8. Press enter, then delete key. Now okay, run. Sorry, I miss some event. Use capital letter bint B wx dot event button B U double T O N event dot button. Copy this, paste here. Use capital letter. Now run. browse for zip. To make zip, browse for zip, convert to zip, unzip, select file to unzip, browse for unzip, convert to unzip. It is working fine. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.